Bum 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 bum. Oh wait, this isn't Star Wars. uh, this is not even Ghostface per se. This is Checkered Wolf. But I do have a Ghostface mask. And I can't wait to make more Ghostface videos in the future. It's just gonna take some time at the moment. I'm still figuring out the whole video making and the whole getting what I want kind of thing at the moment. It's just gonna take some time. If you don't like it, go stab yourself. I give a crap. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that kind of person. But I would like to make it official that I am going to make more videos of Ghostface. now, now, I just want to get more subscribers, but it's not doing the greatest at the moment. And it's really ticking me off. Let us want more subscribers. Why wouldn't they like me? Sorry. There we go again. The dog's always barking, and the birds are always singing, and I'm always stringing them up. That was supposed to be a joke. I wouldn't hurt animals. But I do really want more people to like me. It's really irritating the shit out of me that nobody will ever freaking subscribe for me. I've worked hard for the most part, but I'm not the greatest video maker. I'm working hard at it. For the most part, I'm doing what the fuck I can. I even got this nice background, you know? I went to go buy it. Well, I bought a sheet and I put it in the back. I don't get up. Hey, I don't get up. What more do you ask for, right? Hey, you wanna say something funny? Look how cute he is. Ain't he adorable? Like him. You will like him, and you will love him because you're Flint. I do like The Legend of Zelda. It is my favorite Nintendo game. Sorry if it's not your favorite video game, but it is mine. If you don't like it, I'll make you like it. Sorry about the knife. It's nothing personal. But I just want to make more videos, you know? I'm all by myself at making videos. So it's not the easiest, you know, I don't have any people like, hey, take a video of me, you know? I gotta do that crap by myself. So that is what I'm doing. I'm making a video of myself. Anyways, sorry about all this boohoo crap and the dog barking all the time. This is how things are around here. Bark, 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 bark. See? That is my dog Boo. And she likes to boo-hoo all the time. What a joke. But anyways, I'm going to upload the video and who knows? Hopefully somebody will like it. Not like I'm getting very many likes lately. But I'm doing my best. I'm not the greatest talker. I'm not very good at putting myself out there very well. I'm trying. But, everyone starts from the bottom to the top. Some people are in the middle. I'm pretty down here. At least I'm trying to get up here slowly. This is, this takes time, I guess. This takes time. Anyways, this is Checkered Wolf, and I am out of here. Peace.